Hi class, for this sections we want to learn the Newton's method. So for example, I have the problem for you right there. So suppose a car dealer offers to sell you a car for 18,000 or for the payments of 375 per month for 5 years. You would like to know what monthly interest rate the dealer is charging you. So to find the answer, you have to solve that big equation right there. It's too much, right? So it's really hard to solve such an equation. Therefore, we have something called the Newton's method, which is approximation. So let's try it. Example 1. Um, we want to find the third approximation, which is x cubed to the root of the equation. So the equation is x cubed minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. You see right there, solving for x is going to be really hard. So we're going to try to approximate. First of all, in order for use the Newton method, we have to find the derivative. So I got the function, I got the derivative, and we're going to use x1 equals 2. Newton himself chose x1 equals 2 to be his first number in his approximation. So let's try it. I'm going to use the formula right there. Okay, so what do we have? Xn in this case, I'm sorry, x1 in this case is 2 minus f of x1. So we pretty much just plug it in, right? 2 third minus 2 times 2 minus 5 divided by f prime of x1. So f prime is 3 2 square minus 2. And then when you do the calculation, we're going to end up with 2.1. With that 2.1 is turned into the x2. So for n equals 2, x3 is going to be x2, which is 2.1, minus f of x2, which is 2.1 cubed, minus 2 times 2.1 minus 5. And then f prime of x2 is going to be 2.1 square minus 2. And you do the calculation, we're going to end up with 2.0946, which is a very nice approximation to the fourth decimal place. All right, moving on to the next problem. So the next problem, what I have is to use Newton methods to find the fourth root of 75, correct to the 8 decimal places. So first, I need to pick an x1. Okay, so first of all, let's just rewrite the function. Okay, so to approximate, I'm going to rewrite the function and put x to the fourth equals 75. Okay, so rewrite one more time. I get the function is going to be x to the fourth minus 75. So f prime is going to be 4x cubed. Okay, now using what we have, xn plus 1 equals xn minus f of xn over f prime of xn. We have to pick the first term. Now, think about this. The fourth root that we can think of, and it's give us the whole number, is the fourth root of 81, which is 3. And 81 is pretty close to 75. 275. So I'm going to pick x1 to be 3. All right, so using the formula right there, we have x2 is going to be x1 minus f of x1 over f prime of x1. So we're going to plug it in. So that's going to be 3 minus 3 to the 4th minus 75 over 4 times 3 cubed. Using the calculator, I'm going to get 2.944 and repeat it. Okay. Now we're going to take x3. So x3 is going to be x2 minus f of x2 over f of x1. F prime, I'm sorry. F prime of x2, I'm sorry. Okay, so what we have is going to be 2.94 bar minus 2.94 to the 4th minus 75 over 4, 2.94 cubed. When you calculate, you're going to get 2.9428328. Okay. Now, when you do it one more time, if you do it one more time, x to the 4th, you plug it in everything, you're going to get 2.94283096. So you can see right there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have the 8th place. And this is, in fact, x to the 5th power. I'm sorry, x5. So the answer, the 4th root of 75 is 2.94283096. This is to the 8th place, like how we want it. Yeah, 8 decimal places.